So here we have it, final boss. Hey everyone, so basically we're going to be watching me declutter and clean out my garage, which is super fun. As you can see, it's totally messy and chaotic in here. So we're going to be watching me clean it up, and this is day one. I just want to apologize in advance for all the derriere shots you guys are going to be seeing throughout these videos. I definitely am not doing it on purpose. It's just, it happened. But yeah, so relax and enjoy. So this is basically 18 years worth of stuff that's just been sitting in my garage for the past like 7 years since I moved in here. Basically, I just moved in, I just put everything in the garage, I put all the furniture and everything we needed into the house, and then like maybe a few months later, I cleared out enough to be able to fit my car in, and all that stuff along the side, and just at the end there is basically everything that's just been sitting there for literally 7 years. So when I say like 18 years worth of stuff, it's from basically when my kid was born, like as a baby, all the way through school. So there's all this like school books and like things, and so many toys, and just random stuff. Like, see the fans and the cooling and the heating things like in there that you can see. I actually told the removalists when I moved in here to leave them at the other property because I was going to take them to the dump, but like some people just, I don't know, they don't have brains, or they just don't hear words. Like, I don't know what's wrong with them. Hey, can you guys leave those there? Oh no, I think we'll do the opposite. Whatever. Anyway. So yeah, look, some of the things, like, it kind of does look a lot like consumerism, but it's not just stuff I've bought, it's stuff that people have given me, it's stuff that people have given my kid. It's also like some really old sentimental stuff. Like, out of all of this stuff, I think I've got one box that's like sentimental, like my stuff, like all my old diaries, some old photos, and this little jingle jangle that we're seeing here is something I got at like a hippie shop when I was like 14 or 15 on the Gold Coast in like Tugun or something. So it's pretty special to me because like I bought it myself, even though I'm not really into the hippie lifestyle or anything like that anymore. It was that was me just walking around trying to find somewhere to put it, but didn't. So it goes back in the bag, and then it's going to go into my little sentimental container. So coming up is something I'm going to show you guys, which is a pretty cool story. So this is something that I had when I was a kid going to, they call it prep these days, but it was like preschool back when I was a kid in the 80s. See all these old 80s stickers and stuff like that. But it was my little port and had a little leather handle that's obviously broken off, but you know, I'd carry like a apple or a mandarin in it and some sultanas and whatever else. Oh, that's my tiny notebook when I was like 14 or something with Nirvana, like the Kurt Cobain picture on it, because, you know, I'm so obsessed with Kurt Cobain and Nirvana. That was an astronomical book that I found in an op shop from all the planets when I was born. But anyway, what I was saying about this little port thing is totally forgot about it for years. Went back to an op shop like probably like when I was maybe in my early 20s, and I saw it there at the op shop, and I'm like, oh my god, this is mine. And I asked my mum about it, and she's like, oh, I think I probably gave it to Bronwyn, and then she probably just assumed Bronwyn like gave it to the op shop. But it's like, yeah, no, I'm not quite 100% sure that's what happened, because my mum was still living in the area where we grew up, so I'm assuming she took it to the op shop. Yeah, so anyway, I don't know if that's a painting from me when I was a kid, if it was one of my kids' paintings, but anyway, this was later during the day. I've got to do that left side and this is where like I'm starting to get like boxes organized to put stuff in. And here's some stuff I've already had out the side, ready for the dump. And basically this is kind of the end of the day. I put everything back into some boxes that you can see against the wall there. It's a lot neater and cleaner. Anyway, I still got to get to that stuff to the side to the left there, and up behind that screen I got to go through all of that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this and join me for the next one. Bye.